and his vision.
Daniel Kariuki, KTN.
Now, a section of ODM leaders have today defended the pact between President William Ruto and Raila Odinga and the formation of broad-based government. The leaders said Raila's move to work with President Ruto is well-intentioned and dismissed those opposed to the political pact. But even as they backed the deal, Siaya Governor James Orengo, however, remains one of the top party leaders to warn against ODM working with President Ruto's government, adding that the party should field a candidate in the 2027 presidential elections. Bramwell Bure has this particular gem in this report.
It was at the solemn send-off of former Kisumu Town West MP Kenya Kwanza in Game Siaya County, where politics took center stage. Several leaders, among them Senator Dr. Buru Odinga and Energy Cabinet Secretary Opiyo Wandayi, backed the pact between President Ruto and ODM leader Raila Odinga. They argued that ODM stands to benefit from the broad-based government.
That is the best way for us to go as a party. If they think that our way of resolving the Kenyan issue, not the right one, let them offer a better one, not just to mention ODM all the time. ODM is going ahead whether they like it or not.
And Baba has never misled us. I can tell you. Baba has never led us astray. You have always made us take decisions that are appropriate for the time or for the hour of the moment.
But some of the ODM leaders present differing sharply on working with President William Ruto-led administration. Siaya Governor James Orengo, a long-time ally of Raila and a respected figure in the struggle for democratic space, sharply disagreed, saying that oversight and loyalty to the party's mission should not be sacrificed for political expediency.
As a party, we cannot be in a position where we are satisfied with the status quo. We must always challenge the status quo. If you want to move ahead as a party, we must be prepared to challenge the status quo.
ODM leader Raila Odinga, who was in attendance, steered clear of politics, choosing instead to focus on the legacy of the departed former MP. With ODM leaders set for yet another public forum on Saturday in a funeral service of George Oduor, a longtime aide of Raila Odinga, the question of whether the party will maintain its cohesion as 2027 approaches is one that only time will answer. Bramwell Bure, KTN, Game in Siaya.